If f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 2x plus 1, we want to find f of negative 2 and f of 0. Remember, this is a function here, right? So as a function, okay, x is, in this case, the independent variable. Okay, so what we want to do with f of negative 2, right? We want to replace every x in the function with negative 2, right? This guy right here. Let's think about what that means, right? F of negative 2 means that every single x is going to be replaced with negative 2. Now, in here, you got to be a little bit careful, right? So that negative x squared, okay, so I'm just going to put the parentheses with that x where it should be, right? But in its place, I'm going to put negative 2. Okay, so minus 2x plus 1, right? But in the place of this x, I'm also going to put negative 2. Okay, so now we just want to make sure we do our order of operations, right? Remember, negative 2 squared is positive 4, but then that's going to become negative, right? So we get negative 4. This becomes negative 2 times negative 2, which is plus 4 plus 1. So when that all combines together, we get positive 1, right? So essentially, f of negative 2 is equal to positive 1. We can write that as an ordered pair, right? Negative 2 comma 1. The answer here is 1, though, right? What about f of 0? Well, f of 0 means, well, we're going to replace every x with 0. So same idea. I'm just going to rewrite this, but instead of putting an x, I'm going to put a parentheses. And then in the place of every parentheses, I'm just going to put, well, the number that is telling us to, right? In this case, 0. So put the 0 here and the 0 here. Okay, of course, 0 squared is just 0. Right? Minus 0 plus 1. So we also get a 1 as the answer here, right? So f of 0 is equal to 1. And once again, we don't need to do this here, but we can write that as an ordered pair, right? In this case, 0 comma 1.